Okay, now we have reading last three questions. And if 38, 39, 40, if you answer all yes, one answer will be correct. If you answer all no, one answer will correct. Okay, one answer will be correct. And if you answer all not given, still one answer is going to be correct. Okay, but anyways, don't worry. Question number 38. Please focus. Come on, come on, come on. Question number 38. Moffat's research. See, once we did academic reading, and right after the class, a student jumped into the canal. And rescue workers came and they rescued him, and all the time he was saying, many IELTS karna, something like that. So be careful, there is a canal outside. Be very careful. The pressure of IELTS reading may lead you there. Say, nair che chhal maar de, nair che chhal maar de. Okay? So be careful. Yeah. So, question number 38. Moffat's research may help explain people's reactions to EMI. Now listen, if Moffat's research may help explain people's reaction, answer is yes. If Moffat's research does not help explain people's reaction to EMI, answer is no. And if they don't tell us whether his research helps or not, answer is not given. Okay, people's reaction. Come back. It's the second last paragraph. And yeah, second line. Let's read from there. A study by computer scientist David Moffat of Glasgow University provides a clue. He asked both experts. Now this word clue, provides a clue means help. Exactly, provides a clue. He asked both expert musicians and non-experts to assess 6 compositions. The participants weren't told beforehand whether the tunes were composed by human or computer, but were asked to guess and then rate how much they liked each one. People who thought the composer was a computer tended to dislike. Now what is this dislike? Reaction. People's reaction, okay, tended to dislike the piece more than those who believed it was human. So provides a clue, tended to dislike. Moffat's research may help explain people's reaction to EMI. Answer is absolutely. Yes, not true. जो true कह रहा है उसको पेंसिल का सिक्का चबो दो, फिर वो कहेगा yes. Yeah. Non-experts in Moffat's study all responded in predictable way. Predictable way means the way he was expecting. Non-experts in Moffat's study, come back. Non-experts in Moffat's study. Good. It's the next paragraph, same paragraph. Okay, all right. So they say here, I'm reading it from 4th line, the participants weren't told beforehand whether the tunes were composed by human or computers. Wait a minute. The non-experts in Moffat's study all responded in a predictable way. So, what do they say? But were asked or guess. Yes, come to the last line. Let's read it from 3rd last line. People who thought the composer was a computer tended to dislike the piece more than those who believed it was human. This was true even among the experts who might have been expected to be more objective in their analysis. So this was true even among the experts who might have been expected. Experts might have been expected to be more objective in their analysis. Non-experts in Moffat's study, now listen, they talked about experts. They did not say anything about, number one, they did not say anything about non-experts and the way they responded, whether that was expected or non-expected. So the answer is not given. They talked about experts. They did not talk about non-experts. And then this thing responded in a predictable way. Okay, Justin Kruger, not Trudeau. Justin Kruger's finding cast doubt. Cast doubt, underline that. So Kruger's findings means the result of Kruger, it casts doubt on Paul Bloom's theory about people's prejudice towards computer art. Cast doubt. Well done. The word prejudice is there. Where does this prejudice come from? Now please read carefully. Paul Bloom of Yale University. All of you with me? Okay, Paul Bloom of Yale University has a suggestion. He reckons part of the pleasure we get from art stems from the creative process behind the work. This can give it an irresistible essence, says Bloom. Meanwhile, experiments by Justin Kruger of New York University have shown that people's enjoyment of an artwork increases if they think more time and effort was needed to create it. Now this is the thing. He says people's enjoyment of an artwork increases if they think more time and effort was needed to create it. They say this painting was made in 5 years. This book was written in 25 years. Something like that. So people's enjoyment of an artwork increases if they think more time and effort was needed. Come back. Justin Kruger's finding cast doubt on Paul Bloom's theory about people's prejudice toward computer art. Cast doubt. Did they mention that it casts any doubt? They said have shown that. Now his research or Justin Kruger have shown that people's enjoyment, and before that they talked about prejudice. When they say shown that, shown means there is no doubt. Shown means it has proved that. So proved and shown, and the opposite of that cast doubt. So the answer is no. Okay, so yeah, that's it.